Cook Inlet Conference semifinals, the second-seeded East Thunderbirds against the sixth-seeded Eagle River Wolves. Austin Huss paced the T-Birds with 25 points in East's 15-point win over Bartlett, and Shaquan Rhoades dropped 25 in Eagle River's upset of the defending state champion Diamond Lynx. Jared Laws scored 18 in opening round play. Jared adds stats early, the take, and the make. Shaquan rattles a tray. Austin Huss pops out from the bottom of the zone and attacks the middle of it for the floater.
The bucket.
The T-Birds work around the Wolves zone, and Xavier Johnson shoots over it, East up 7-3. Jared Laws forces a 2-on-1 at the top of the zone, and Austin Huss is on Trey. Trayvon Brackett starts the transition, and Desmond Johnson finishes. Add one, East up 15-3 at the end of one. The T-Birds are overloading the zone, and the X-Man is killing it. 20-3 T-Birds. 3-on-2, inside out, 3-ball down. Jared Laws makes it 25-3. Nicholas Montgomery the pass and cut. Shaquan Rhoades the feed. Montgomery closes the deal and earns one from the stripe, but 3 minutes to go in the half, and that's the Wolves' second field goal. Desmond Johnson with the bold skip pass. Xavier makes the tough catch and wets the net for a long deuce. East up 27-6. Shaquan Rhoades with his moves. The slip and the slide. Austin Huss to Jared Laws to he's like a saw now. The X-Man sizzles. East up 30-8. More snazzy from Shaq. The silky dime for Nick Montgomery working the baseline. Still a 22-point ball game. Xavier Johnson checks the clock, and that's ridiculous. Dead red from Freetown. East up 35-13, 16 minutes to play. Second half, Josh Oberlander's going to try to get the Wolves back in this one. 3-ball good. More zone overload. Desmond Johnson runs the point from the paint. Austin Huss gets big on the baseline. East up 22. Xavier to Austin. To Desmond. To Trayvon. To Xavier. To Freedom. Muy caliente. 42-16 Thunderbirds. Trey's dropping everywhere. Thomas Jones wants in on that. Splash. 45-22. Colin Metzel. Splash. 20-point ball game. Shaquan Rhoades. Splash. All right, maybe there's hope. 47-30 after threes. But Jared Laws has an ABA in him. 3-school, 50-30 East. But sometimes a long shot becomes a long rebound. Matthew Hardwick grabs it, and the big man distributes. Des Johnson with the easy money. East up 53-30. After a 25-point opening night, Shaquan Rhoades had to work hard for points against the T-Birds, but he can work the block, the last of his 10 points. Austin Huss put up 25 in round one and kept clicking against the Wolves for 15 more. Shaq did distribute the last of his 6 dimes. Time winding down, Trayvon Brackett reels in a tough pass and casts a line to Haney Jacobo. Haney pulls it. 7 assists for Trayvon. The Wolves will play the West High Eagles in the third place game, but State is likely out of reach. Shaquan calls it a night. The Thunderbirds win into State and book passage on the ship. They earn a rubber match against the Service Cougars. East is the only Alaskan team to beat the Green this year, but it took a buzzer beater. Xavier Johnson led all scorers with 19 points on 5 of 9 shooting behind the arc. Austin Huss added 15 points, 5 rebounds and 2 block shots. Michael Bond worked the glass for 9 rebounds. Jared Laws scored 11 with 4 assists. Trayvon Brackett 5.7 assists and 3 steals. For the Wolves, Shaquan Rhoades with 10 points and 6 assists.